Hello, this is proof in logic, problem number 1. So it says, use the given diagram to prove that vertical angles are congruent. And the first set of vertical angles I see is this with this one, and I'll label them x1 and x2, just so they have label and we can differentiate them. And then there's also a second pair that I see, which are the wider ones on the side. I'll call those the y's. So y1 and y2. And another relationship I see is linear pairs. So the first linear pair that comes to my eye is between x1 and y1. And I'll just write out a simple equation. x1 plus y1 equals 180 because linear pair. And that's just an easy, simple equation. And then I also see another one between y1 and x2. And we know that linear pairs equal to 180. So the second equation is going to be y1 plus x2 equals 180 because linear pair. And now that I have that, I could just keep going because I have a few others, x2 and y2 and then y2 and x1. But I can already see a relationship. You can see here that I can basically say that x1 plus y1 is equal to y1 plus x2. This is because they're both set equal to 180. So let's say instead of the variables, they're real numbers, they will be the same. And then I can just solve this small equation. So I can subtract by y1 on both sides, and you get x1 equals x2, which is what you're looking for, because I'm trying to prove that this angle and this angle are vertical and that they are congruent, which they are. So by this, vertical angles are congruent.